How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. How do, everybody? Say how do.
How do?
How do?
How do?
Hey, when was the last time we did a video? 2 months ago, at least. Grandma, look, laughing at us. Just to go away. Yeah, go away.
Go away. Go away.
Yeah. Just thought we'd say how do, because it's been 2 months. And also, while I'm on, I want to say a big thank you. I can't pronounce his username on the forums, on the Talbot Owners Club forums. Let's just turn this telly down. But it's Gary. What it is, we've been after a bike for Sandra because she can't ride a two-wheeler because of her condition. She keeps falling off and can't get a balance. And when we were at Southport, we saw this here couple, and the lady of the couple had a three-wheeler adult bike. It was called a Blasi. And anyway, since then, must be, we did 12 months ago, but it's about 9 months ago. I've been looking every day on eBay. Anyway, I managed to find one, and this here lad, and I forgot his username. It's such a long name. Anyway, he's called Gary, like I say. And he lives near where this here bike came up, and he lives near there. So he ended up picking it up for us, which I'd like to say thanks. Thank you very much, Gary. Really, really appreciate it. Anyway, it's here. It came. And believe it or not, there is a three-wheeler bike in this. There.
It's a bit ripped there.
Yeah, it don't matter about that though, does it? Yeah, so, yeah, the guy works, whatever hours he works, he's a builder, so it's going to be long hours. And he took time out to go and collect it.
It might be where one.
He's packaged it. I were going to go down, but me and Sandra, which everybody knows, well, you won't know, but me and Sandra got COVID. And obviously that, we did. You had it and all.
No,
You did.
I haven't got COVID.
You haven't now, but you had it, didn't you?
Yeah, you had too.
Yeah, right, anyway, so, yeah, so obviously...
You haven't got COVID now, have you?
We haven't got COVID now, no.
No.
Yeah, anyway, like I say, he packed it and everything, and he took it down to the shipping office. And
Yeah, and it might be a long time to build it.
it what?
It might be a long time to build it.
Yeah, a long time. To build this?
Yeah.
No, you don't need to build it. That's the surprise.
Oh.
Yeah, believe it, like I say, it's three-wheeler back in this. Right, so, let's, have to open it?
Yeah.
Right, we need a Stanley knife then, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go and get one. Where's that come from? That's Ollie's cat.
Yeah.
He won't go anywhere without it.
Yeah.
So we've just been to pick him up from a house,
Yeah.
and he insisted that the pussycat came. What have you called it, Ollie?
Luna.
You want Phil?
That's what looks like, doesn't it? Look.
Stop sniffing its arse.
No.
Get over here.
Kissing it.
Kissing what?
The cat. It was kissing.
So Ollie,
What?
let's get it open then, eh?
Yeah.
For these nice people who are saying how do to you.
Well, to wood.
Eh?
Well, to wood.
What?
Well, to wood. told you it didn't fit.
This has got to be the most wrong packaged pod I've ever seen it in my entire life.
That's it.
It's done well with it, hasn't it?
Well, I'm the one like.
It's a package within a package, you know.
Yeah.
Blimey, Gary!
I can open it.
That's off to you, Gary. Honestly, seriously. What a minute. Ooh, okay. We pull box off, Ollie.
Yeah. Oh,
Go on. Right, get box away. Take away. Right.
what's this hot?
Oh. And there it is. Hang on, dude. There. It's in a bag, you know.
Okay. Wow.
That's a little satchel.
Look there.
De Blasi.
You know what? Whoa.
There.
There.
Hey up. Why's that come off?
I have no idea.
You've got idea.
Like a motorbike.
As far as I know, that is your handle. Right, can you get back on there?
Yeah.
Oh, something's broke.
Oh well.
Oh dear. Oh.
What's this?
Oh look. Oh dear.
What?
Lights broke.
Oh well.
Well, something. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah.
Sorry, Gary. Putting a claim in.
Yeah, I found a lot.
Right. I'm not sure.
And it's not gonna work.
Of course it's going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it actually goes up, but there's an handle here and everything for pulling it.
I know. This. Oh no.
Yeah. And there's wheels for wheeling it.
Oh, I know.
Do you really?
No.
Right, as far as I know,
Oh, I know. No. Just saying it.
the handles come up first and click into that.
On the super.
Yeah?
Huh?
And then
Whoa, yeah, it's twisted.
That goes like that.
That.
And clicks there.
You don't have to build it.
Eh?
You don't have to build it.
I know.
Yeah, when you go back to it, go beep, beep, beep.
There we go. Right. And there it is. How cool is that?
Yeah, it don't need fixing.
Huh?
It does.
That is so cool. How it unfolds.
It's got 3 wheels.
Eh?
Got 3 wheels.
Yeah.
We have got something to build. I know what this is.
Woo woo.
Oh, these are on it up.
There.
It won't move if you arm it up. Oh.
Right.
And also got some black on it.
So there we have it. Sandra's new toy.
Got some toys of
When we
that.
go away. Even got what do they call them?
Brick.
No, it's dynamo. That's it. Dynamo for lights. But unfortunately, it's broke. I'll check that out. Has it got a? Why don't that work?
No.
Oh right, it's an old-fashioned one. You don't flick it. Like. Oh, that goes out like that. There, it clicks.
What are you doing?
And that's that is what a mechanism,
Yeah.
isn't it, Ollie?
Yeah.
Right, so there you have it. Are we going to say ta now, Ollie?
Yep.
Say bye bye then.
Bye.
Say see you later,
See you
alligator.
See you later, alligator.
Right, thanks for watching. Cheers for now.